Hi, welcome to Fratello Initech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to explain about Power BI. So Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by the Microsoft. So it is used to collect and analyze and visualize the data in an easy way. So Power BI can connect to many data sources like Excel, MySQL and SQL Server, CSV files and web. So we can clean the data and transform the data by using the Power Query editors and so we can so related tables are connected to create the data models. So we can use the data analysis expressions, DAX, use it to perform calculations and create the measures. And so multiple visuals together form a report. So whatever we have created the report so that we can publish to the users through the Power BI services. So Power BI helps to organizations to make the business decisions using the real time insights. So real time insights means so retail and we are using in healthcare, finance and human resources and education, manufacturing and marketing. So coming to the retail, supermarket checks which products sell more in Hyderabad versus Bangalore. And coming to the healthcare, and it tracks the how many. So hospital track how many patients visit each department and every month, and common diseases. So coming to the finance, so company compares monthly expenses and revenue to know if it is making profit or loss. So human resources tracks employee attendance and finds how many employees left the company this year. So for example, in marketing, a company checks how many people clicked an online and how many bought the product through the online. So so these are the insights we can publish the Power BI reports through the Power BI services. So here I am going to explain about Power BI interface. So this is the Power BI desktop user interface. So let me check that practical. So here you can see this. This is the Power BI desktop interface. So So you can see that file and home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help. So this is called a ribbon. So located at the top of Power BI desktop. So it contains like home, insert and modeling, view, optimize, help. So use it to load the data from different data sources. So clean and transform the data by using the transform data, and so we can create the calculations and new measures. So here we can also add the new columns. So publish the reports to the Power BI services by using home tab. So and one more is this is called the report view. So here you can see that report view. So this is the default screen when the Power BI opens and use it to create reports and dashboards. So we can drag the charts and tables and fields here. So most visualization work is done in this view. So and one more is data view here. So it shows the data in rows and columns like table format like this. So use it to check the raw data and understand the column values and create the calculated columns. So helpful for verifying the data correctness. So coming to the model view here, so these model view, so use it to build the relationship between two tables. So it shows how tables are connected using the keys. So very important for accurate calculations and helps in proper data modeling here. So and one more is dashboard. So dashboard canvas. So this is called where we are inserting the charts. So this is called canvas. So this is the workspace center area. So the large white area in the center. So this is where you place the visuals and so charts, and we can insert the charts into this space, and tables and cards, slices, and appear here. So this is the dashboard. So this area becomes your final report page. So we can publish whatever we have created the reports. So we can publish so from here through the Power BI services. So and one more is see this visualizations panel. So located on the right side. So it contains all visual types like bar charts and column charts. So line charts here. So pie charts, tables, matrix, and KPIs. We can also create the KPIs. So use it to these visualization panel is used to choose the visualized type. So we can add the columns and axes and legends here. So here we can add legends and small multiplies and tooltips. So coming to the data panel, so fields panel. So here it shows all tables here. So whatever we have loaded into this Power BI desktop, so it shows that. So it shows all tables and drag the columns from here. So here we have columns, different types of columns in table sheet 1 and table 1. So we can drag the columns from here to here. So it is adding. So we can drag like this. So from here to here. So so it helps in building the visuals quickly. So we can so it contains the columns and measures and calculated fields. So this is the data panel. So and one more is a filters panel here. You can see that. So use it to filter the data in reports. So filters can be applied data and visual panel. So page levels and report level. For example, filter data by date, so region and product. It helps to focus only on required data. So this is all about filters panel. So next one is page navigation. So page navigation so is at the bottom. So it shows the report pages like page 1, page 2. So you can also insert page 3 and so switch between two pages. So we can switch that. So we can also rename the pages and it helps to organize the reports neatly. So and last one is status bar. Here you can see that located at the bottom right corner. So it will shows the zoom level. So page view information. So it helps zoom in or zoom out report pages. So here you can see that home tab. So in the home tab, so this is all menus like home and insert modeling view. So this is called ribbon. So in the ribbon, so coming to the home tab is used for data loading from different data sources and data preparation and basic report actions. So we can get the data from these. So and we have transform the data. So when we click on the transform the data, it will open the Power Query editors. So it will open the Power Query editor like this. So we can clean the data here. So use it to so we can remove the duplicates and so we can change the data types here and so we can rename the columns. So we can also so here so see that I'm using the column names. See that date, product, agent. So we can clean the data. So then so before creating the reports, we have to so modify the data. So then close and apply. You have to use that. So automatically add into this. So and one more is refresh. So it updates the report with the latest data. So used when the source data changes, and here we have new visuals. So new visuals, create a new visual on the report canvas. So here we can create the new visuals. So new measures here. So new measure used to create the DAX calculations like total sales and so profits, and measures are dynamic calculations. So and one more is new columns. So new columns creates the calculated column, and column values are stored in the table. So we can publish the reports to the Power BI services through the online. So use it to share the reports with others. So and one more is so insert tab. So coming to the insert tab here, so use it to add the elements to the report common options like text boxes and buttons, shapes, so images and the Power BI visuals. So use it for design and layout. So and one more is coming to modeling tab here. So here used for data modeling and calculations. So important options in from this. So new measures and new columns and new table and manage the relationships and make as a so here date table. So mark as a date table is here. So these are the very important options. So coming to the view tab here, so use it to change the report appearance. So options include themes and page views and grid lines, selection panels and performance analyzers. So here, so it helps in designing and formatting the reports. So I'm coming to the optimization tab. So in the optimization tab is used to improve the report performance. So here includes the report, so performance analyzer and query reduction, so options useful for large data sets. So and last one is a help tab. So these help tab is used for support and learning, and so includes the documentation and tutorials and about the Power BI. So here feedback and helpful for beginners. So this is all about Power BI desktop interface, and here one more option is there. Here DAX is a formula language used in Power BI to calculate the values. So we use these DAX to create the calculated columns and to create the measures and totals, averages, performance, use it to perform the business calculations. So coming to the TDML tabular model, so definition language, this GDML is used to so describe the structure of the data model, not the calculations. So we are not using for calculations, just it will use for the structure of the data models. So we use TMTL here. So to manage the tables and columns, relationships, to handle the model changes in the structured way. So to support version control, Git so Git or DevOps. So mainly used for developers and advanced users. So this is all about Power BI desktop interface. So just follow these options. So remaining we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.